All right, so you're looking all over the internet to find out if there are first-time homebuyer jumbo loans, right? Well, the answer is very simple. It's no, maybe, sometimes, sorta, and yes. So in order for me to elaborate on that horrible answer I just gave you, right, let's just go into what is a first-time homebuyer first. Well, according to Investopedia, the term first-time homebuyer generally refers to an individual who purchases a principal residence for the very first time. First-time homebuyers often qualify for special benefits such as low down payments, special grants, and assistance with paying closing costs that are sponsored by state and federal governments. Many lenders also offer first-time homebuyer incentives and special loans. Now, that's the definition of a first-time homebuyer, but the truth is, for the most part, if you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years, you're a first-time homebuyer. So based on this definition, a first-time homebuyer loan would have, a smaller down payment, assist with closing costs, possibly sponsored by a state or local government agency, right? And so really there is, as of 2021 right now that I know of, there is not a specific first-time homebuyer jumbo loan. Know this, that in March of 2020, right, when the pandemic hit and everything was shutting down, you know what did shut down within like a day or two is jumbo financing. It was literally gone from one day to the next. So know that is a possibility. It's not, likely to happen, but that's how volatile jumbo financing can be. And know this too. I'm Garrick Wordmuller. I'm a broker here in the San Francisco Bay Area, arguably the toughest jumbo market in the Bay Area. And I've been dominating it for 20 years. So come see me, Fresh Home Loan Inc. We're going to take great care of you. When I say come see me, it can be over Zoom or on a call or online. You don't have to really come into my office. Don't worry about that. But if you want to, I'm available. Fresh Home Loan Inc., Garrick Wordmuller. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and applying.